Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Cumberledge and I'm the Youth Outreach Specialist at the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are going to be reading a story that is a classic retelling of the tale Rapunzel. Perhaps you've heard of the tale with the princess with the really long hair. Well, this is just a little bit different take on it, so I hope you enjoy it. This book is called Ratpunzel, and it was published in 2014 by Raintree. It was written by Charlotte Guillain and illustrated by Don Beacon. Ratpunzel. Once upon a time, there were two rats who loved each other very much. One day, the wife became sick. "Please fetch some special seeds from the forest for me to eat," she begged her husband, and he did as she asked for 2 nights, and she began to get better. On the 3rd night, the husband went back to the forest to fetch more seeds, but he was caught by a cruel cat. He begged for mercy. "I will let you go if you promise to give me your first baby," purred the cat. Terrified, the husband agreed and scurried away. Time passed, and the couple had a baby daughter. They named her Ratpunzel. One morning, the cat appeared. "You must keep your promise and give me the child," said the cat, taking Ratpunzel away. Ratpunzel grew up into a beautiful rat with a very long tail. The cat hid Ratpunzel away in a tall tower deep in the forest. Only the cat could visit her by climbing up Ratpunzel's tail. She would call, "Ratpunzel, let down your tail." Ratpunzel had a beautiful voice, and she would spend her time singing at the top of the tower. One day, handsome Prince Radoff was riding through the forest. Prince Radoff heard Ratpunzel singing. He followed the sound and saw the cat climbing up Ratpunzel's tail. Prince Radoff came back that night. "Let down your tail," he called like the cat. Ratpunzel did as he asked, and Prince Radoff climbed up into the tower. Prince Radoff and Ratpunzel fell in love. He visited her every night, taking thread for Ratpunzel to weave into a ladder to escape. Time passed, and Ratpunzel had almost finished weaving the ladder for her escape. One morning, the cat came to visit her. "You're so much heavier to pull up than the prince," puffed Ratpunzel. The cat was furious that Prince Radoff had visited. He sent Ratpunzel out into the forest. That night, Prince Radoff came to see Ratpunzel as usual. The cat pulled him up by using a rope. "You will never see Ratpunzel again," he snarled when the prince reached the top of the tower. The prince jumped from the tower to escape. Prince Radoff landed in a thorn bush, which scratched his eyes and blinded him. He wandered in the deep, dark forest day and night, unable to see. One day, he heard a familiar voice singing beautifully. Who do you think it was? Prince Radoff followed the voice into a clearing, where he fell into Ratpunzel's paws. She wept when she saw his scratched eyes. Magically, her tears brought his sight back. Prince Radoff and Ratpunzel were married and lived happily ever after. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. Now we're going to do a little fairy tale action rhyme, and it's called Here Is. I'll go through it once slowly with the motions, and then that way the next time I go through it you can join me, all right? So here is the knight with his feathered cap. So pretend to take off the cap, and you bow. And here are his boots, which go tap, tap, tap. So go tap, 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 tap. And here is the dragon. Listen to him roar. Everybody roar with me. Roar! And here are his wings, which help him soar. So you pretend to fly. Here is the princess with her golden crown. So put on your crown. And here is her lovely blue ball gown. You gotta go like that to show off your blue gown. All right, one more time. Here is the knight with his feathered cap. And here are his boots, which go tap, 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 tap. Here is the dragon. Listen to him roar, roar. Here are his wings to help him soar. Here is the princess with her golden crown. And here is her lovely blue ball gown. Very good, guys. Great job. There's going to be a couple links down below for things you can do at home. One link is for a craft you can make. You can make a Rapunzel's tower out of popsicle sticks. That's a lot of fun, so I hope you enjoy it. There's also going to be a link for an activity you can do. You can have a Rapunzel-themed engineering challenge. And it involves Legos, so please enjoy that. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you had a great time. Please stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. Goodbye.